What's up? Hello. Hi humans. It's fucking Monday. It's the first day of our Floridian vacation vay. Yes, we're gonna go get some donuts over here at the Krispy Kreme. We're at Krispy Kreme, yo. Alright, we got donuts. Take a donut. Go with a donut. Want to split one? Or?
Yeah, let's split it.
Alright, we got some donuts. Now we're gonna get back in the van and go meet up with Dark Matter FPV and rip some fucking packs. We out here in Orlando. I got Dark Matter FPV.
Eating some Krispy Kreme.
We got some Krispy Kremes fresh off the bucket. We're about to dive this tower and then go do some other shit.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spent 3 racks on new chain. My bitch love doing cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. Yeah, I can't buy no bitch no wedding ring. Ooh, rather go and buy ball man. Hey, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang.
Yo, check out this spot. This is fucking hilarious. I gotta get a picture of this shit. We are in an abandoned, some sort of factory. Looks like cement or some such. There's a nice office in there. Check out that office.
This is wrong.
This is not wrong. Or, yeah, that's not right. Yeah. Oh, there's still some, nice hazardous chemicals in here. All right. Well, here's that. Ooh, I see a dive. Nice dive right there. Who does that one? Anybody? How do you get out of that one?
Where? Dive where? Not inside the thing.
Inside, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the triangle right there.
No, dive inside that and then make a sharp right turn and keep diving that.
Yeah, good luck to you. I'll give you my whole bag if you do that.
I'm gonna do it backwards like cricket.
I'll give you my whole bag.
Much, what do you think?
Love
made the perch, did not do that power loop so great. I was like, oh, where the fuck am I? Yeah, dude. Dog, thanks for having me out. Fucking this is an epic day of flying. Fucking showing me around your little town here, all the epic spots you got, towers, awesome shit. You'll see it.
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate you.